Throw it up. Start twerking like Miley. Twerking like Miley. Start twerking like Miley.
Hey guys, Funky Monkey here with another video on a Beast PC build. This is a awesome build for only $620. As you can see in the title, it says $600, but you could pay the extra $20. Case, Antec 1. We're using a Antec 1 mid-tower case. Here's how it looks. Yeah. The case doesn't have to be the best. Processor, we're using an Intel Core i5. This is good for multitasking and it's really powerful. It cost $260, while the case cost $60. Motherboard, MSI motherboard. You could read all this stuff. For the RAM, memory, Corsair XMS 3, 4 Gigabit. So it looks. Yeah. Hard drive, Seagate 1 terabyte. This holds 1,000 gigabytes of hard drive for only $60. Graphics card. Okay. We're using an Asus GeForce 2 Gigabit video card. This is awesome for this price. It's $70. And it can play every single game out there that requires 2 Gigabit. Mostly every game, like Battlefield Hardline, Battlefield 4. Power supply, Corsair CX series, 500 watt power supply. Here it is. It's really good for its price. 500 watts. That could play any game too. And yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment. And I will be doing a $1,000 PC, a beast one, soon. A video about it. See you guys later.